Video, I'm going to explain implicit matrix factorization. The main idea of this program is to demonstrate the relationship between skipgram with negative sampling or SGNS and matrix positive for shift positive PMI matrix, also known as SPPMI. In simple terms, we are checking whether the word empties learned by SGNS approximately reconstruct the same information contained in an SPPMI matrix. So at the beginning, the program imports libraries such as NumPy, Stats, Matplotlib, and LTK, and SkipPy. So NumPy used for numerical operation, and SkipPy is used for sparse matrices and correlation calculations, and Matplotlib is used to generate scatter plots. The program also imports three components, that is concurrent collection, concurrence builder from P2, PMI transformer for P3, and SkipGram negative sampling along with the training function with P6. So the main class in this program is called implicit matrix factorization. One important method is compute SPPMI. So the program calculates the PMI of the word context co-occurrence matrix. The PMI tells us how strongly a particular word and context are associated, compared with what we would expect if they are independent. Then the program applies a shift. SPPMI is equals to PMI minus log k comma 0. So then SGNS reconstruction is the next important method, which reconstructs during the scriptgram negative with negative sampling training. We obtain two embedding matrix, that is W word and W context. The program reconstructs a matrix, that is M hat equals to W word into W context transpose. So our experiment compares the reconstructed matrix from SGNS with SPPMI matrix calculated directly from the co-occurrence statistics. So the program measures how closely these two matrices agree. It uses two metrics. The first is MEA, that is mean absolute error. It measures the average absolute difference between the SPPMI values and the values reconstructed from the SGNS. And now let's see the output. So as I mentioned before, it loads initially the tokens, thereafter vocabulary size, and first co-occurrence matrix with k values of 1, 5, and 15. So then after it calculates the MEA Pearson, and it also says a plot, that is using Matplotlib, a visualization, and this is the complete results of k values. Now let's see the visualizations. So for K, this is the heat map for SPPMA of K is equals to 1, SGNS of reconstructed of K is equals to 1. Thereafter for K5, this is the another heat map representation. And thereafter K15, this is the heat map representation. And then matrix versus K. This is the error versus K, and this is the correlation versus the K value. And this is the how the line is plotted between the values, and this is the another one, and this is the another scattered, and this is the complete spectral representation of single comparison, and this is the final. So this is the complete implementation. Thank you.